wild animals, domestic animals, pet animals, water animals. Let's start. Our first topic is wild animals. It says, oh, look, there is a bear family. And look, this is elephants family. And look, these are leopard family. And these are land animals. Zebra, giraffe, and there is a tiger family. Let's go to the other one. Second animal topic is domestic animals. Horse, goats, donkey, and sheep family. Look, there is a sheep family. Oh, and look, this is dog's family. Wow, buffalo family. Oh, cat's family too. Wow. Look, there are so many fishes. But they live in water. I don't have dolphins, but there are also water animals. Now, oh wow, there is a duck family. Oh, a cute duck. Wow. So cute. And it has a turtle too. These are water and land animals. Bye. Today, thank you for watching our video. Please like it